How is my video workflow looking these days? You have to have a very nice, tight workflow in order for you to be able to produce regularly and upload regularly and have people see your videos regularly on YouTube, In order for you to be successful at this, it means you need to have a very clean, very nice, quick workflow, There is something they call a factory, or maybe that's just me that calls it that. So there is a project, so call it a project bin that I have open, that I have in my Premiere Pro software on my laptop, that has all the assets that I use in my video, basically. So what I'm saying is, when I create a video like this one, a talking head video, all I then do after is just take this footage and throw it into that project, that timeline that I already have on the laptop, and then I just quickly start cutting it up, and then I shift to put those assets, be it washes, zooms, be it on-screen text, whatever it is, and then I change up colors and the text in there to feed the video that I'm producing at a particular time. I find that having that factory in place helps me to be productive when it comes to editing and uploading a video. That is my simple, basic video editing workflow. I do my editing in Premiere Pro. I don't know, there's a whole lot of softwares out here that you could use. A lot of people are using Final Cut, depending on which part of the globe you are and what you find works for you. I've become so comfortable and accustomed to Premiere Pro that there's other easier ways, I think, to edit your videos, but I just don't want to. I just want to continue with Premiere Pro, and if there's anything you can benefit from or get from this video, is that it helps to have looked out, like it helps to have your own preferred specific assets that you want to use in each and every one of the videos that you create. Let me repeat that. It helps you greatly if you have specific video editing assets that you want to use in each and every one of the videos that you are creating, so that when you are done shooting a video, you don't waste a lot of time making decisions and deciding on what assets to use here, have all your videos have a similar flow. Hopefully you have enough audience that already love and appreciate that style of video, and then just create your videos the same way. Reinventing the wheel and creating something new each and every time makes things difficult for you, makes it so exhausting, so tiring, and also sometimes discouraging for you to just get up and create, basically. And when this happens, burnout happens, and before you know it, you do not want to create any longer. That is my workflow. That is what you can do if you're new and you're starting as a video content creator, because it's not easy. Because for somebody that is starting out, you are doing footage yourself, you are coming up with your ideas yourself, then you have to sit and edit by yourself. Find ways to make it easier for you, because if you do that, you'll find ways to make it enjoyable for you and keep doing it for longer. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I see you in my next video.